Welcome. This is a 10-minute yoga flow for those who can't quite sit cross-legged or touch their toes yet. However, it can be practiced by everyone with or without props. For those who wish to use props in today's class, we will be utilizing pillows. Nothing special, just any pillows you can find. If you're feeling extra tight today, maybe have at least 4 on hand. Let's begin. Come to seated. Feel free to add some height here under your seat by sitting on a pillow or 2. If the knees are a bit high here or sitting high, go ahead and throw a pillow or 2 underneath. Resting the hands on your knees. Begin drawing the breath in through the nose, out through the nose, softening the shoulders with each exhale. Let's remind ourselves that yoga isn't about what we look like. It's about how we feel through the journey. Go ahead and begin rotating the head in a circular motion, feeling the clicks and ticks. Opposite direction. Again, just feeling the clicks and ticks, warming up the spine, warming up the back. Take the left hand straight out to your left and gently alternate the fingertips up towards the sky and down towards the mat. Almost like you're pressing the hand into a wall. Plant the left hand on the mat, or add some height under the hand with a pillow. Begin reaching overhead with the right hand for a seated side stretch. Inhale, release. Begin circulating the shoulders. Drawing the right hand out towards the right, begin gently alternating the fingertips up and down, again as if you're pressing into a wall. Release the right hand to the mat, left hand overhead for a seated side stretch. Inhale back to center, begin rolling your shoulders. When you're ready, left hand in back, right hand on the left knee for a seated twist. Release, twisting to the right, left hand on the right knee, right hand in back. Release. Feel free to rock side to side. Shake out the spine a little. When you're all set, come to your knees. Begin walking the hands forward, forehead to the mat for child's pose. Now, a lot of you might need to modify here. If the hips are sitting a bit high, find some comfort just by placing some pillows under the hips, as many as you need, or even maybe a pillow under the forehead. So play around here, just see what feels good. If the hands towards the top of the mat feel a bit intense today, you can also feel free to draw the hands by your hips. Option to rock the hips side to side, very gently. Nice, gentle motion. Begin drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the belly, expanding the lower back with your inhales. With your exhale, sighing out any tension in the shoulders, the upper back, the neck. Next, inhale, come to tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Go ahead and inhale, drop the belly, gazing up for cow pose. Exhale, round the spine, gaze down for cat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Next, inhale, come to standing at the top of the mat for a half lift. This may feel intense, so feel free to bend the knees and rest your hands on your thighs. Stand as high as you need, no stress here. On an exhale, bend the knees, fold forward, chest resting on your thighs. Let the head be heavy. No tension in the neck. Maybe swaying side to side. Inhale, come to standing, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Go ahead and interlace the fingers. Flip your palms forward on an inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, draw the palms towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, palms towards the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale, right. Inhale, back to center. Release the hands. Grabbing opposite shoulders. Give yourself a big hug here, or grab opposite arms. On an exhale, bend the knees, folding forward. Inhale back to standing. Release and switch arms. Big squeeze here. Exhale, bending the knees, fold. Inhale to standing. Release the arms. On an inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.